Welcome to the My Personal Recruiter Client Portal tutorial. So we're going to take a look at exactly what's on this tutorial and how we're going to navigate through and manage our job search. Now here, as you can see, we have the dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you're going to see your account information. This account, of course, is a premium subscription. You'll see the renewal date, the remaining coaching hours. If you do want to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time, of course, you could do that right from the billing page at the top of your screen. On the top right-hand side, you'll see the team members assigned to your order. So, of course, our standard and premium members will have a recruiter, a writer, and a career coach. On the left-hand side in the middle, you'll see the onboarding information. So here, we're going to want to get this to 100%. And in order to do that, you're going to have to complete steps 1 through 5. So the first one is simply completing your profile. Second one is completing your job search criteria. The third is filling out your user data. Fourth, of course, is completing your intake session and then uploading your original resume. On the middle right-hand side here, we have the job search status. Now we have 3 different statuses. We have find and apply. This is where we find job posts, you will approve them, and then we will apply to the job after you approve. Only apply would require you to upload job posts, and then we would apply to all of the job posts you upload. And then autopilot, of course, is we find jobs for you and apply without your approval. It's going to start on off, so I would recommend changing this to find and apply, and then just clicking save to ensure that that status gets locked in. At the bottom left hand here, we have some tools and resources. So this is where we're going to be managing all of the documents for this account. So you'll have your resumes, your cover letters, and everything else in this profile, in this area here. Then we have the LinkedIn optimization video series. So you'll have 5-part video series. If you already have an account, you can just start right on part 2. But if you're just setting up your profile, I'd recommend starting at part 1. Now, once again, the user data, this is an area where we're going to be inputting your username and your password for the different accounts. We have messaging templates that you can use for cold prospecting. There's different types of templates that you can use for different reasons. And then we have the job search criteria. So this is where you're actually going to be filling out the information about exactly which type of jobs you're looking for. On the bottom right-hand side, you have some statistics and data relating to your job search. Here you have the chat with your personal recruiter, and then we have the applications, which here it'll display some different graphs with helpful information for you. Now, if you do want to change any information relating to your profile, you can click on your name, go to View Profile, and here you'll be able to edit your phone number or any of the other things, including your LinkedIn profile. Next, we're going to take a look at the applications page. Now, this is where your recruiter will be uploading job posts for you. We have different statuses for what the job post is in at that particular time. So if you have not approved, if you approve them, once a job expires, if you've been declined by that position, and here you'll see the completed applications. The next screen here, we have our interviews. So you'll simply be able to input which, when you have interviews, and of course your career coach will be able to help you prepare for those interviews beforehand. The next page is the offers page. Now, this is where you're going to be able to manually input information relating to each of the offers that you've received. So information relating to the compensation, benefits, travel, and all the information here. And the middle part, you're actually going to be able to mark one of the subjects or topics that has won in that particular category. And then at the bottom, you'll be able to see the score for that as well. And then on the last page here, you will be able to review the chat. So here you can have a detailed chat with your recruiter. Keep in mind that we do work Eastern time, and we work between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. So going back to the dashboard, you'll also be able to review your coaching hours on the top right-hand side over here. And of course, if you have any questions relating to the software, any questions relating to the process, don't hesitate to give us a call, speak to our customer success managers, or with your career coach during the onboarding. But either way, we're looking forward to working with you and helping you find your next job.